Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today, I have a moisture meter right here. Look how cute it is. I already did a review on another one, which is the one I've been using forever. And so we're going to compare the two. But this one could fit inside of this one. Check it out. But what's really unique about this one, and that I'm very impressed with, is that there are different modes on here. I mean, this does the same thing, but only wood. This one's got 7 mode settings. All right, get this. 7 mode settings. And I'll go over the list of all the type of woods this thing can detect and make it, like, I don't know anything. I don't have no idea what this is. I think it's cedar, but I have no idea. So having different modes is great as long as you know what kind of piece of wood you're testing. I have no idea. This is wood. That's all I know. Yeah, what do you got? You got wood? I got wood. Yeah. And that's it. I don't know what kind of wood that is. However, if you are a connoisseur on wood types and you know what you're looking at, this list is for you. So, mode 1 can detect... Oh my God, really? You know what? I'm not even going to read it. I'm going to take a picture and post it on the screen because I can't read any of these. And then you can see all the modes that it could do. What's also unique, I can read some of them. You got gumwood, hemlock, larch, maple, oak, penis? Really? Pinus? That's funny. Populus, rosewood, silver fir, teak, walnut tree. So they're all different modes for this. That penis one really got me. But it also detects, which is shocking, I didn't know this can do this, it can do building materials as well, such as cement mortar, drywall, lime mortar, and masonry. So if you have drywall, whatever, or if you think I got damp, you could check it with this. Or if you got a cement block or something, or a brick, you can see if it's got, because if you're trying to do cement work and if it's too wet, cement may not stick to it. So then this will come into play, which I thought was kind of neat. And each material has a different measuring range, which I wasn't aware of until I RTFM. Look that up. I'm not going to tell you what it means. Actually, you know what? I will tell you what it means. Read the fucking manual. RTFM. So material 1 ranges between 6% and 9% and 39%. So if you guys aren't aware, firewood needs to be less than 20% to burn. This piece of wood that I have here, I actually had another video that I already did to check the two, between the two. This is 7.4% moisture. Still not 100% zero. So there is some moisture in it. Now I do keep it stored in the house, you know, for my fireplace, but this will burn perfectly fine. Nice. And this one here shows 7.4 as well. So I did a quick video comparing the two. The video was really about this one, but I like it. I like the fact that it works really well. You could change, there's also a temperature reading on here. It's 21 degrees Celsius. If you press and hold the set button, it changes it to Fahrenheit. Modes are obvious, and power button. If you hit the set button once, the backlight turns on. And that's it. It's real simple. Moisture meter. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is also a must-have device. This one works too. I did a review on this one. That'll be up here. I'll have a link up here for you to check it out to see how this one is. This one only does wood. All right, just so you're aware. This one does masonry and everything else. So, and you can see the size of it. This uses 2 AAA batteries. This one uses 2 AAA batteries as well. This one didn't come with batteries. This came with batteries, but it came with heavy duty, and you know my thought on heavy duty. They suck. So alkaline, toast alkaline. I mean, if it works, it works. It's fine. But heavy duty has a tendency to to leak. Alkaline does not. Anyway, I beat this to death enough. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this if you want it. Great little device. It may not say Ken Mike on it. It might have a different brand name on it, but it's just relabeled. They buy it from a manufacturer, and that's that. And then they just put a different label on it, but it's the same machine. Same machine, man. Same machine. Take care, and we'll see you next time.